Welcome back to the channel, guys. Once again, we're doing brakes on another Nissan Sentra, this time 2014. And the reason why we're doing another brake job video, we noticed that we missed some stuff that we really should have taught y'all how to do. And also on top of that, it's an older Sentra. I mean, how many of these cars are around? I'm not 100% sure what year this body style started, but it goes all the way to 2019. And we may actually do a compare contrast video between a 14 Sentra SV and a 2020 Sentra SV, since we have one here. It may not be today, it may be
later.
Yeah, later on, but
depends.
Yeah, we got a lot of work to do today. We got to do the front brakes on this, do the door speakers.
Yep, that'll be another video.
That's another video. Then we got to get Remy's 2012 Mustang back in and grease the slide pins on it. He's having a caliper sticking. That's the reason why we tell y'all grease everything that moves on the brakes. And then we still have a photo shoot we got to do.
Yep, for another video.
For another video, because we got 3 generations of the Mustangs here. We got a SN95.
Barney.
Yep, Barney. We got S197, the Widow. And then we've got S550, the all-new Red Rocket you guys seen. And go ahead and apologize now. Sorry about having 2 videos hit at one time, like, what, 30 minutes apart from each other. It kind of took away from the brake video, but we had to get the news out there.
Yeah. Yeah, because you're going to drive it to work, and you don't want people finding out that way, so.
Yeah, we had to get it out there, so.
You wanted to see who would actually watch the video.
Man, I remember the guy's name now.
Who?
Thad Johnson. Thank you for your comment on the oil pan video. He's the one that has the same 2011, 2019 Nissan Altimas. So, we appreciate the video, man. That's what we're here for. We want to teach you how to do stuff at home. Like, this car is actually a friend of ours. Nissan was going to charge her and her dad like $450, I think it was, to do the brakes on this thing. It's a 30-45 minute job, so I say.
There she is back there.
Yeah, there she is. Hiding with a group, man. We got a bunch of people here hanging out, having a good time. Kind of doing the Sunday life thing.
Yep.
So,
got people over trying to make a video.
Yep. So you ready to get this going?
Yeah, man. Let's get it.
Let's do it. It won't do it, Jacob. Try it. See if it helps. See if you can do it.
All right.
Ready? All right, guys. So to do these, I know 2014 on the 2019 Sentras, you're gonna need a 14 millimeter to get the actual caliper off. You're gonna loosen the bolts up here.
Yep.
Get these off. Oh, it's pretty loose. We need to set these to the side, that way we don't lose them. And this caliper should be pretty easy just to peel off.
Yep.
Now, you don't want to leave it dangling. A lot of people love to leave them dangling. This rubber hose, it's not still braided on the inside, so it could actually cause that line to stretch and collapse, causing the caliper to lock up. And you go buy a new caliper and put it on, and guess what? The new caliper's still doing the same thing because you didn't replace the brake hose. 9 times out of 10, when a parts guy tells you, hey, you need this too, you probably should buy it. Just gonna say it. Always hang them on the strut tower, or on the strut itself, on the spring. And then you're gonna need a 21 millimeter, or 19 millimeter, excuse me, to get this bracket off. We're gonna pull these pads out.
Our lugs are 21s.
Yeah, lugs are 21s. And unfortunately, I don't think anybody's ever done the brakes on this car. So these bolts are really, really, really tight.
Not that big of a deal.
No, we get the impact after it. Take it off real quick.
Yeah.
We'll just break it free and then take it off by hand. Alright, so we got that off. You're going to take these two 19mm bolts out. These things are pretty big. Who was that?
Remington
Oh, God.
and Lily.
Just knocked it over.
What y'all doing, man? What y'all doing?
Lily, what you doing, girl? Lily's coming in here inspecting the shop. I don't think it's up to her standards right now.
Yeah, she's not liking it.
Well, she sure ain't. So, we've got this off now. Like I said before, rule of thumb, rotors. Yeah, they look okay. I mean, to me, I see heat spots all in them.
Yeah, on the camera it looks horrible, man.
Yeah. But there's a lot of people that just throw pads on this and say there's nothing wrong with it. You cannot tell if a rotor is bad by looking at it.
Yeah, visual inspection, nope.
No bueno.
Yeah, it's not good.
No go, guys. I'm sorry. Because as soon as I put this on a brake lathe and start turning on the fast cuts, it's going to be nice and pretty and new and cut, and you'll have big black spots all through here on the back and the front where it's actually warped, where you can't see it. I mean, you can't rub your hand over it and feel it either, because we're cutting like hundredths of an inch off of these rotors. It's real fine. So just replace it and be done with it.
Yeah, a lot of places you get 2-year warranties out of them, so you could, if you mess anything up, you can change them out, and then I keep dropping keys, but you can just change them out and get new pads. With some majority of places have lifetime warranty pads also.
Yeah.
I mean, that'll at least do you another brake job.
Yeah. So what we're going to do now, I'm going to pass this off to Jacob. He's going to take a wire brush and he's going to clean
All the spots where those
all
clips
these.
sit.
Yeah, because this needs to be replaced too.
Yep.
Yeah, I've heard a lot of people put brand new brake pads on, and some that put rotors on too. They talk about how bad their pads squeak. Well, guess what?
That's the issue.
Replace your hardware. It's that simple. I mean, these things will keep your pad from moving back and forth like it's supposed to. And guess what it causes? A squeak. How hard, right?
Yep.
Alright, guys. We're going to be back in a minute. Alright, so this is what I was talking about the other day when I said make sure you clean your rotors off with brake cleaner.
Yeah, if you
Can
look.
you get that on video? I mean, look at, see how shiny this is?
Yep.
This is machining oil. The actual tool, machine tool oil where they cut these rotors.
You don't want that on your pads. You don't want to start your car off, your brakes off with that stuff on there.
No, because,
I mean, it's oil.
yeah.
You don't want any kind of contaminants on your brakes. Obviously, you'll get them later, but
Yeah.
to start them out, you don't want that on your rotors or pads when you set them.
See, look at that.
Which we'll probably end up recording setting them.
Look how clean that back side of that rotor is. And see its cross hatches. It's perfect.
Yep.
So, we're ready to toss this back on. And once it's on there, I'm going to spray the front side too. And I'll spray this 3 or 4 times before we're done.
Yep.
Just to make sure.
It's all clean.
Alright guys, this is going to finish this video up. Once again, another brake job done. Everything went pretty smooth. I mean,
Yeah, man.
got the brakes set in. It's pretty simple. We did it off camera. I know we said we are going to take you along with us, but we're just running out of daylight.
Yeah, we got dark.
Another thing to do on this car, another video shoot on it on something totally different. And then we've got Remy's Mustang we got to get in. And then we got a Jeep that we're going to actually work on tonight too. We actually got 2 videos on the Jeep. One tonight, one next weekend. We got some aftermarket stuff we're going to do.
Yep.
Hey, we do it all. We're not afraid of nothing. So, I guess it's on to the next. Guys, remember, check us out on Instagram. Links down below. Facebook, easy to remember. Aftermath Garage YouTube channel. Hit us up on there as well. Any questions, anything. You want to see something? Holler at us. Let us know. What else? Keep watching, man, because we got some cool stuff coming out.
Subscribe, comment, notification bell.
Hit the thumbs up. Keep watching. We've got a podcast with Remy coming. That one's going to be fun.
Yep.
The history of the Stang.
Yep.
I guess that's what we call it. History of the Stang.
And our thoughts.
Yeah.
Try to wrap it up pretty quick, too, because
we
got a lot.
Yeah, you got 3 Mustang guys sitting around talking, and that could go hours on end.
Yeah.
So, guys, we love you, like always. And remember, do what we're doing. Dream big.